G'day guys, Socket here. I'm just making a very short video for Marcus, who is asking why he can't find his crossover simulation filters in the REW EQ tool. So rather than going to a massive big explanation in the comments, I thought I'd just throw this together really quickly for him. So Marcus, say for example we are in REW and we're going to do some EQ work on this left mid. I click up here on the EQ tool, right, and you know, all the usual stuff that we do, close that up and whatever. Now up here in EQ filters, this is where you can access, you know, and put in your own filter stuff. And if I slide the bar all the way across to the right hand side, here I can find the crossover filters, which allow us, and I'll just close that down a little bit like this so we can see the rest of the curve, which allows me to put in, you know, a high pass and, you know, all that type of stuff, and simulate a you know, a crossover, right? And I guess your question is, how come this is not appearing when you click on the EQ filter button? Well, the main reason for this is in REW, you know, this EQ tool thing, right up the top here is the ability to select the manufacturer and model of your DSP. You know, so for example, if I'm set it for Audio-Tech Fisher and, you know, I've got a DSP with 30 bands, you know, I can set it like that. And then I go into EQ filters, and what it will do is if I go to the end here, it's got 30 bands, but there is no option for the crossover setting, right? You know, so it only gives me the features that Audio-Tech Fisher have in their DSP, the EQ part of their DSP, because the crossovers are done not in the EQ part, but at the top, you know, top slope setting part of the DSP. So, and this is the case for most of the manufacturers. So if I pick, you know, Audison, for example, you know, and I just pick 15 band DSP one, you know, once again, no crossover stuff, right? You know, and so forth, right? Moscone, same thing, right? No crossover stuff. So to get that crossover thing that I was just showing you, go in here and click on generic, and then under generic there are three options: generic, extendable, and configurable. The one you want to select is generic. Now what generic does is it gives you all of the different filters that are available to all DSPs, including all pass. And it also gives you your crossover features down the end. So the most likely reason you can't find it on you know, when you're trying to do this work in REW, mate, is probably because this is not set to generic. Now, if you set configurable parametric EQs, this will allow you, if you click on this little button, to change, you know, the filters to. I've got a DSP with 25 filters, right? You know, apply changes, and now I've got 25 feet filters, but once again you won't have all pass, you won't have the crossovers thing. So the only way to get the crossover thing working in REW, mate, is to have this set to generic and generic. So Marcus, I hope that answered your question, mate. And for anybody else that was wondering, you know, how the DSP brand EQ selection thing in the REW EQ tool works, I hope that that sort of explained things as well. For everyone else, if you've got questions or comments, as always, throw them down in the comments. I'm happy to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Otherwise, guys, as always, I will see you in the next episode.